Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to change your wallpaper, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to keep a long press on any empty place and you will get this type pop-up. Just tap on wallpaper and style here, and here you will get the settings. But if you won't get it here, you can easily open it from settings. Just open settings. In settings, just look for wallpapers and styles. Just tap on it, then tap on change wallpaper from here, and here you will get different wallpaper. You can easily select one of them. I'm going to select one of this one. Just tap on the wallpaper which you want to select, then select next, and here just tap on done. So in this way you can easily change wallpaper of your home screen or lock screen on Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.